สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Carmichael House. I will tell you a little bit more about history. พามาชมคฤหาสน์ร้างค่ะ ซึ่งก็ไม่ได้เก่าแก่เท่าไหร่แต่ว่าของปราสาทมาจากบรรพบุรุษของเขาน่ะมาจากศตวรรษที่14ค่ะ อันนี้ของใหม่นี้สร้างในศตวรรษที่17 35ถึง40ค่ะขอบพระคุณนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมให้กำลังใจค่ะแล้วเจอกันในนั้นค่ะจะเดินพาสำรวจดูนะคะ we go in there had a look around we look around inside the house say be about 2 or 3 building and later on we go have a look at the pet cemetery as well. Thank you very much for watching. We tell you a little bit more. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you very much for watching. Go to fly drone, have a look how many building around here, so we can go have a look the history about the Carmichael House, the original one. Wow, what you seen here was built in 1734 on the old site where the old castle used to be here around here. The old castle, of course, was built around 14th century. The family was at the time support King Charles I, and in the old day there was English civil war going on between Scotland and England, and the result of that war, the Oliver Cromwell, he actually forced an attack here and destroyed the castle around 1650. Well, the war always had price to pay. The Carmichael family had been living here 2-3 generations, but after that, I think they moved to the place called West Road at the Pettinian. After that, what happened after that? The third or fourth generation of Carmichael, I think called Sir John Carmichael, he start to rebuild a new building, this one here. John Carmichael, or the third Earl of Hyndford, he actually rebuilt a new grand Neoclassical mansion on the estate between, well, he started off about 1734. The building actually started to build about 1754 to 67. So it took about 3-4 years to finish. And doing that, he would add different outbuilding, like even have a door court where they lay the bird in the old day for egg and meat. So in the old day, they actually using horse and carriage come and go in different building. I suppose it is different building is all different places, gradually and not close to each other, you know what I mean. And I don't know what kind design is, but look at the building in front of you. It got pineapple on top of that. They must like pineapple in the old day. And it look like a little hole there. Look like a bird net or something. Been living in there. Safe place to be, quite high. And the building, the property is middle of nowhere in the forest. So when you go in here, it's a lot of horsefly and midget bitten you, and even to walk around is very this time of year it's a lot of them. I know my face and my head all itchy. Here, have a look this pineapple here. The 3 of them, one and 2 in the back. Also, the building inside is quite nice. Look, well, they quite ruined, but when we go in, I'll show you some. And the ceiling is like a wall ceiling. They try to decorate it. That's what this you see on top of the building. You know, it's beautiful. I'm sure it's quite nice if it's not ruined. But it being ruined now. The family being stripped of the roof and the auction of all the content in the building to avoid the tax before they kind of move it away. I like the little detail on the building here. Around 1920, the family moved to London house in the house began to suffer from neglect and ruin. I believe the estate is still private owned by Carmichael family, I think. And the house became ruined and roofless at the moment and in a solid condition. We could go in here, have a look around inside the building. เราจะพาไปเดินดูสำรวจดูข้างในนะคะ Thank you very much everyone for stay watching until now. So we will go in here. I think the building also had been using around the Second World War as well. This is quite new. In the old day, they put this is on the Second World War. They use it for store ammunition and gun. All they stand here. Look at the ceiling. Big fireplace. What do you want that for? We could have a look on the ground floor first and quickly have a look. Like a storage, isn't it? Oh, that looks like a stair going up there. Must be a staircase. Go here quick. It's mighty ceiling. How they do the brick. And this room the same. And comfy, big fireplace. Big window. What lies the window? Look, you can see the wood. Got to walk back there. Have a look down there. On this building, we need to go upstairs. Look at that. Just about to collapse down. About 3-4 up. And we've been in there. Go see what's up here. Quite tall, isn't it? And I can see here people go there, go through there. I don't think I take the chance. It's interesting how they build this. You can see the nail. Oh, it's a bird. There's two pigeons. Let's not disturb them. Look like a husband and wife, isn't it? If we go outside now. Again. a lot of broken glass in here. Right, go down this way, come see this. We came in that way. Right, you're going from this way. And you see this building here? I think look at a pie apple sitting up there. Look like pie apples, isn't it? We have pie apple house somewhere. Why the pie apples up there? Maybe in the old day the pie apple is. Look there. It's pie apple house. What is wood? Probably just strength the building. That's like a modern, isn't it? Very modern. This one. Fireplace. And the steel. That building look kind of spooky, isn't it? Definitely. So, I look down there, it's middle of nowhere. Right, we go down here, have a look. Let's see what's down here. It's quite dark in here actually. Maybe because the board beam is against the ceiling. Window being boarded up. Ceiling that shape. Why they put the wood up like that as a strength to strengthen the building? Plaster. Oh, plaster. And all the windows facing there. You can see there. This must be a front door. See the wood right away. And that one we just came in. What is that? That looks like a oh, that is the same kind of building. Nothing in there. A toilet or something. Up there. Or we go up there later, right? Còn he put down here. There's a big room there, a little window always facing the wood, and that one, of course, we go upstairs, have a look upstairs. You can see what's up here. Oh, the wood going up there. Okay, that's it. That's the end, everyone. The beam there is another floor, isn't it? The hole there. What's that on the floor there? Okay, we go back this way. Back again. Back down below. Look what's done here. Like a stair. Is some kind of storeroom? No. This is on the side. It's down here. What's down there? We have a look what's down there. House very dark. Wow, แล้วก็ไผ่ด้านเฮียได้ไปเรียนจันเลยถึงห้องปั่นไผ่เครื่องไฟฟ้าI hear the rain coming. Let's go. Oh, there's nothing follow me here. There's some 4-lead cover. You found one very lucky. Got 3. I'm not lucky yet at 3. Major. Many years. Carmichael. Semi 1992. Tara 205. No, this one. Bruce 1935. 6 of them. I see this one here. So, jet. Oh. So that's for 6 bed here. The Carmichael House is straight here about here.